Our request is clear that to make a peaceful Manipur, when we are starting a yatra from east to west, how can we avoid Manipur? Then what message we are giving to the people of the country? No, we need to start the yatra from Manipur only. This is not going to, we are not going to make any tamasha there.
Prevailing law and order situation in the state is very, critical. So, giving permission of Rahul Gandhi's rally is under active consideration. We are taking report from various security agencies. After receiving the report from the various security agency, we will take a concrete decision.
Very unfortunately, Honorable Chief Ministers declined. It is in fact violation of our right of the people. Our is a political party, and even if we are political party, we are not this yatra is not based on political.
If they are not giving palace ground, okay, we are not going to fight with for the palace ground. What is the matter? We are now going to do yatra in Manipur in another location. The details will tell that already our ex-chief minister and PCC president mentioned to chief minister. Chief minister orally told them to go ahead with that. That is what our information. So we are doing yatra in Manipur itself. We are starting the yatra in Manipur itself.
देखिए अभी तक तो परमिशन दे देनी चाहिए थी। जब उनको मालूम है कि भारत जोड़ो न्याय यात्रा ये मैसेज देने के लिए, खाली राजनीति के लिए नहीं है, तो जब ये स्थिति है तो ऐसी यात्रा तो कोई पार्टी कर सकती है, कोई नेता कर सकता है, उसमें रुकावट आनी ही नहीं चाहिए। ये तो संदेश देगी भारत भर के अंदर लोगों को, नौजवानों को। तो मैं समझता हूँ कि अविलंब यात्रा का परमिशन देनी चाहिए।
राहुल गांधी जी को इस देश में यात्रा करने के लिए किसी परमिशन की जरूरत नहीं है। राहुल गांधी शांति के ध्वजवाहक हैं। भारत जोड़ो के बाद भारत न्याय यात्रा निकालना चाहते हैं। राहुल गांधी एक महान तपस्वी हैं और तपस्वियों की यात्रा की परमिशन मणिपुर सरकार नहीं देगी। ये तो घोर अनर्थ हो जाएगा, ये तो अन्याय है, ये तो अधर्म है। हम इसके खिलाफ आवाज उठाएंगे।